conversation. Wow, your drawing is very good. Wow, your drawing is very good. Thanks. Can you draw? Thanks. Can you draw? No, I'm not good at drawing, but I can play badminton. No, I'm not good at drawing, but I can play badminton. Really? Can I play with you? Really? Can I play with you? Why not? Come to me this afternoon. Why not? Come to me this afternoon. I can't make it today. How about Monday afternoon? I can't make it today. How about Monday afternoon? That's fine. You can bring your racket too. That's fine. You can bring your racket too. Sure. Sure. Practice. Are you good at drawing? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is he good at cooking? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Is he good at playing football? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Are they good at swimming? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Can you make sandwiches? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can they play basketball? Yes, they can. No, they can't. Who can play tennis? James can play tennis well. Who can draw? Linda can, but not well. Pronunciation. How do you say SW in swimming? Swimming. Swimming. Grammar. Auxiliary verb. Can. Can you swim? Can you ride a bicycle? Can you speak English? Can your brother play ping pong? Can you draw sheep? Can they swim well? Question word. Who? Who can work with computer? Who can take photos? Who can make a cake? Who can draw? Who can play tennis? Who can swim? Test yourself. Who can play tennis? Tom can play tennis well. Who can a bicycle? Who can ride a bicycle? Jill can. Are you from England? Yes, I am. Can you a cake? Can you make a cake? Yes, I can. In which word the sound of the letter A is different? Have. In which word the sound of the letters double O is different? Food. New words. About. All. Be good at. Bicycle. Bring. Can. Come to. Complete. Cook. Double. Draw. Famous. Fast. Favorite food. Find. Food. House. Information. Interviewer. Long. Look at. Sound. Swim.